Hello everyone, Wealth with Juan here, and today I'm going to be going over my retirement portfolio for the month of May 2026. Um, for the previous videos that I made, I just went through my Robinhood portfolio, my Roth IRA, and my brokerage account. But what I did here is I had a spreadsheet. I found a spreadsheet online that makes it easy for me to add every stock that I have, every ETF, 401k, and go through my gains and losses for every stock for everything that I have. Um, so yeah, this is what I'm going over today. So let's start with a little bit of a background. I started investing back in 2020, at the beginning of 2020, and I've been investing for 6 years. In the beginning of my investing, it was a lot of hype stocks that I shouldn't be investing in. So I lost a lot of money in the beginning. I got into crypto, too many hype stuff that I shouldn't be in. Now I'm trying to move towards more conservative stuff, still growth minded, but having ETFs and good mutual funds that will grow and not, you know, something that can make me lose a lot of money like I did before. Let's get started. My total portfolio cost is $130,553 with 96 cents. This might be a little lower because I've sold a couple of stocks and bought a couple of stocks, so there's some gains in here. So I will say that it will be around probably like 120, the total cost. But it's hard for me to tell at the moment. My total portfolio value is $165,935 with 90 cents. This might change a little bit up and down during the video because all this stuff is live. Um, so I have separated them my portfolio into value, a special situation, and growth. The value is all my ETFs. The special situation is my 401k, and the growth portfolio is all my single stocks. So if you look here, um, I added everything that I'm invested in currently. For my 401k, it was hard for me to get the stock ticker to come up in here, so I just added a total amount. Okay, so for my 401k, I have my market value is $73,505 with 32 cents, and I have a total gain of $21,733. For TSM, I have a total of $10,860 with 59 cents, and my total gain is $2,981 with 74 cents. Amazon, I have a total of $6,113, and my total gain is $1,569. ASML, I have a total of $10,703, and my total gain is $2,054. QQQM, I have a total of $12,377, and my total gain is $2,198. Nvidia, I have a total of $11,133, and my total gain is $1,880. For Google, I have a total of $11,639, and my total gain is $1,719. For Microsoft, this is under my HSA. I have a total of $391, and my total gain is $55. For BO, I have a total of $11,597, and my total gain is $1,327. For Apple, I have a total of $102, and I am up $8 with 63 cents. For SCHV, I have a total of $8,453 and I am up $220. For SCHD, I have a total of $71 with 42 cents and I am up $1.42. SCHB and ACHD and SLY I just purchased a couple of weeks ago. For SLY, I have $82 with 72 cents, and I am up $1.72. For BlackRock, I have a total of $4,481, and I am down $88 for this one. For Meta, I have a total of $124, and I am down 320 cents. For Berkshire, I have a total of $4,279 and I am down $264. For Costco, I have a total of $116 with 75 cents and I am down $8 with 33 cents. Now moving on, I'm going to show you guys my retirement projection and weekly investment projection. What this does is basically gives me an idea of how much money I will end up having at retirement depending on how much I'm investing and how much the return that I get. My current age is 34. My retirement age is 60. My current portfolio value is this. I currently my multi contribution is $2,638, and for this, the annual return assumption is going to be 11%. The inflation adjustment, I won't use that for now, and the total projected years is 26 years. So I'm going to show you the return scenario summary at the retirement age. Um, So with the current money that I have invested, my monthly contribution, if I get a conservative 8% return, my projected value at age 60 will be around 4 million. If I get 10%, it'll be around 6 million. 12% return, 9 million. 14% return, 14 million. So as you can see, percentage value can be millions in returns. The S&P 500 currently uh, returns about 11 to 12% around in that area over the last 30 years, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, as you can see, if I continue the path, I'll be a millionaire. According to if I go by 11% return, and keeping the same monthly contribution by age 44, I will hit a million. Obviously, this is just averaging out 11% return, but as you know, the market uh, it is varied. So one year can be 30%, the next year can be 30% down. So uh, I can hit it earlier, I can hit it later. This is just an average. And I'm gonna show you guys how much I'm currently investing on each uh, account. So for my 401k, I do with my employer match, I do $147 a week. For my Roth IRA, I'm currently not investing on my Roth IRA because I already have everything that I can invest for the year, which is $7,500. So I can't invest anymore. Um, but at the beginning of 2027, instead of doing a lump sum at the beginning and just doing the 7,500, I'm just gonna do a weekly contribution because um, if the market goes up and down, I think it's better to just buy it weekly rather than just um, do the whole amount at the beginning. Um, for my brokerage ETFs, I'm doing $133 a week, And for my brokerage stocks, I'm doing around $100 a week. HSA investments, I'm doing $85. A little bit less than $85 to meet the $4,400 limit that I have. So yeah, as you can see, I can change my return assumption here. Um, I put 14% on my brokerage stocks, and yeah, it lets me play with a lot of numbers, and I feel like my brokerage stocks can definitely give me 14%, and even if everything else in 26 years gives me 8% by my brokerage stocks, give me 14%. I'll have around 6 million when I retire. So yeah, that it is it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this kind of content that I'm doing, just let me know in the comments, and please subscribe. Thanks.